once it heated up past 100, it would stink so freaking bad in the camper. So we needed to come up with a solution. So he wanted to install a poop vent. So you're gonna go along with him and Carter and watch them install the new poop vent. So watch all the video because we got some fun stuff, and you can watch Houston scrape the roof with a spatula. Grace, smile.
You want to get this stuff good. Remember, moisture is not your friend in your RV.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
So this week was actually a pretty fun week. We did Water Wars. We went to Yonutz. We went to Veronica and Victoria's.
And
I kind of messed up. I thought it was Victoria. Her name was really Veronica. That's my fault. That was my fault. That was my bad. But anyways, so we did that, and then Houston installed a new
poop vent
because he thinks that the vent was the problem. We were getting a lot of, once it heated up past 100, it would stink so freaking bad in the camper. So we needed to come up with a solution. So he wanted to install a poop vent. So you're going to go along with him and Carter and watch them install the new poop vent.
And that was a pretty easy install. We had to do, I mean, you guys will see it. It was a quick, easy install.
I know. Okay, so Carter came in and asked me for a scraper, and I said, what does he want? Anything that scrapes. I said, okay, well, I have a whole spatula that's metal, so I gave it to Houston, and he used it to take the poop vent off.
But you got to be gentle, be cautious, be real careful.
So I know a lot of you guys are going to get us some poop because we used the spatula. No, we didn't keep it after. We're not going to use it after, and it was old, and it was breaking apart.
Yeah, we got it like 3 years ago.
Yeah, it was breaking apart because the wood was coming off of it. So we weren't going to use it again. We needed something to scrape, and we didn't have a scraper at the time. Then Houston's been playing basketball with Carter at night because it's so freaking, like right now it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon and it's 92 degrees.
And it just gets hotter by 4.
So he's been waiting, and
yeah, we wait and we go play basketball at night
with the kids
and have fun, you know.
Graceland caught fireflies and a frog. We've just been hanging around the campsite. We want to do a couple more fun things.
So come along with us.
Yeah.
Check that out.
4th of July is coming.
Yeah.
Let's see what we can get. What we find for 4th of July.
But if you guys have any ideas, any pointers, any tips, we are always open to hear about what you guys recommend. So give us a like, a subscribe, drop a comment down below, so we can reach a bigger community and help more people grow.
So watch all the video because we got some fun stuff, and you can watch Houston scrape the roof with a spatula.
A spatula? Like a legit spatula? Like for the grill? You guys are going to have to watch and see. Like, subscribe, show our friends. Don't miss out. Hit that follow button. Thanks for watching.
Grace, smile. Sit down, Ruben. No. Hi, Tinker. No, siéntate. Bye, Nono. Bye, Nono. Nono.
Everybody stay seated.
I love you.
Water going up in your bucket.
You got soaked.
Oh, you're trying to dump a bucket on somebody. All right.
Oh my goodness. So yesterday we tried to go to Veronica's and I accidentally took us to Victoria's, so now we're here.
And this is it's 5044.
This is the average right there. These are why we were coming. The Bedia balls.
Oh, the Bedia egg balls?
Yeah, they have egg balls, yeah. Hold on, Papa, we gotta open it. Papa. Is it hot?
What is this place? Victoria's, right? Or
Veronica's. Veronica.
Hey guys, yeah, we came to this place called Veronica's, and it is freaking delicious. We got the Bedia platter, comes with like 4 tacos, 5 tacos, a quesadilla, mini quesadilla, 2 egg rolls. Sorry, he's trying to steal all my lemons.
And then we got these on the side, but
those are Bedia balls.
They're good,
and they're delicious. But this place, I mean, this place is freaking amazing. I don't know how we haven't found it sooner. But this is a Bedia egg roll, so we're gonna go try it together. Me and you, we're gonna try this together. Man.
Okay, we'll get it when the guy comes back, okay? Okay.
This is freaking phenomenal. If you guys are in the area, try it out. Like, subscribe, share our friends. Catch you guys on the next one. We got 4 donuts for the kids, 2 for us. We got a milkshake and a sandwich because I'm hungry. I've been working all day. Yeah, that's a long one.
This place keeps popping up on my Facebook, so
Yonutz.
We'll try it. They have crazy stuff. What'd you get, babe?
I got a Reese's shake, a donut with chicken.
Yeah, they make donut sandwiches too, so we'll see.
What is that?
An ice cream donut. They warm up the outside and leave the inside cold. It's pretty good. I still wish they did peanut butter though.
What's this place called?
Yonutz.
Guys, listen. It is like 101 degrees out here. It doesn't look like it is, but it's like 100 degrees, man. Whew. The humidity is what kills it. We don't have the proper tools. What you are seeing, I don't recommend. be back with you right after this. And just like that, we are back. This is definitely the poopos. Just like that, we got it off. That's what I recommend to do with the old one. Got a problem. We got a serious problem. This doesn't fit. So we're gonna have to trim this pipe up, get this worked, because yeah, that's the only way we're gonna get this onto here is just to trim this. We only need to trim just a little bit off of this, maybe just like a ½ inch. They cut it on even, so that might be it too. So if I could get a Sawzall or something. But when you're doing this kind of stuff, you got to be really careful with the roof and how you're doing it. Just be real gentle with it. But yeah, it's not going to go on there, and we're barely. This is our high side, and this is not. This gets lower on this side. So if I just trim, even if I just trim this side off, I think we'll have plenty of time to get it off and get this worked. But yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do here. It said fits, it says it fit. I didn't want to have to take off the old one and then have nothing here to protect it. So yeah. Can't do it like that. So we will be back with you in just 1 minute. Boom, just like that. And then I got this one. And it is the poop thin, so it kind of stinks.
There you go, now it works.
Just a tiny bit more. got it. We got it. So we got it here. And put it just like this. But you know what we forgot? Silicone. We need silicone.
Do we have any?
No, but I know who does. And it's Papa. Oh, guys, it is freaking hot. While Carter is away, I have some beauty tape, I guess is what it's called. This is some gooey stuff. Literally. I think I might pull it here. Let's start with this. I was told to roll it up. Roll it up. Roll, roll, roll. Just keep rolling until you can't roll no more. So what you're trying to do is make like a moisture barrier. You don't want no moisture. None. Not from there, not from here, not from anywhere. So we got some beauty tape. Got that put on. We got some beauty tape. Got that put on. Bam. So I'd put it like this, so I could kind of make sure that it was everywhere. Yeah. And that is who Papa is. Thanks, Papa. And this video is not sponsored. This video is not sponsored, but it is. Bam, just like that. We could put the old screws back in, but we got some new ones, and this is what it was. RecPro. This video is not sponsored. It's not. It really isn't. We just try products so you don't have to. And if you are new here, we are rolling with Sanchez. On the camera today, we got Carter. I'm dying. It's hot out here. Want to go play some basketball later?
Yeah.
So I could beat you?
I'm gonna sweat. It's too hot. It's hot, hot, hot.
So I'm gonna barely put them in there. I'm gonna barely put them in there so I could sink them down evenly. Just to get a better seal on it, I think. I don't know. I mean, when you torque your RV wheels, do you torque them all at once, or do you put them in there and then do a pattern? I mean, that's what I would do. When you put on a head gasket or something, you don't just cinch one side down. You kind of just work them all just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. That's not going anywhere. So now we have a solar powered poop cap. So every time we get some sun, that I've only noticed in the summer is when we have a lot of problems with it, and yeah, I've only noticed in the summer we have problems with it. We really don't have problems. I've never used this stuff, but we're gonna use it today. A little bit of Flex Seal. So you want to get this stuff good. See, remember, moisture is not your friend in your RV. And I want to give a big shout out to my neighbor, also known as Papa. Because, yeah, he came in clutch.
With his billion tools.
Literally, he has so many tools. Ask Carter.
It was like a tool heaven in his camper.
Just like that, we got it done.
Finally.
So guys, if you guys are in the market and you want us to find, I don't know, ours just our vent just smells when it gets real hot, and it's been real hot and humid, so it stinks. And we put a bunch of chemicals, all the chemicals that we have found online. We've tried concoctions that people do. And sometimes we get them gone, but on these hot days it just happens to smell. But so we're gonna give this RecPro a try, and we'll let you guys know here in the next few days what it's like. So like, subscribe, tell our friends, keep on watching, especially if you want to update about this, or if you guys are just getting into RVing and you want to learn a little bit. I mean, we don't know everything, but we do try, and that's the biggest part, is you got to try. Yeah, so can't be scared, and if you're RVing, you always got to be ready and willing to learn something new, figure out how to do it. And like this was an easy job. The pipe just needed to be trimmed a little bit so we could get it to fit in there snug. And so we're gonna get it going, and tomorrow when it gets like the sun comes up, because the sun is going down, it's about let's see here.
7 minutes.
It's 8:30 right now, and it's hey Siri, what's the temperature? It's 85 degrees and it's 8:30. So I thought this would be a good time to go and get this done and get this put on, because I want to keep our RV in good condition. I want yeah, I just wanted to keep up the maintenance on this thing. So when we do, you know, yeah, you never know what you're gonna do or when you're gonna do it, right? So we always got to be prepared, just in case we do find something on the good deal. But until then, like, subscribe, show our friends. Catch you guys on the next one. Don't miss out. Hit that follow button. Catch you guys later. As you guys can see, I'm terrible at basketball.
Yeah, he's terrible. I'm getting you, Carter, on camera.
Get it, Bruce. Get the ball.
Carter, if you're gonna make this, I will give you $50,000. If you make the shot, Carter, I will make you $50,000.
Ruben, move.
Dad's trying to act like LeBron James. Dad, quit acting like LeBron James. We got someone down. We got someone down. We got a little kid down. Go, Carter. Carter is the best. He's cooking you. Is this messing with me? Bro, I literally... This is hilarious. You beat them. You beat them inside. Ruben, get out of here. You beat... You bonked Ruben. You skibbity toilet bonked him. Yeah. No. What in the world? No. No cheating. No cheating. I'll give you all my money. Bye.
Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Show all your friends. Drop a comment down below. Catch you guys on the next one. Don't miss out. Hit that follow button. Catch you guys on the next one. See ya!